If someone is the first to test or try something, in American English, you can say that he is a guinea pig. ئەگەر کەسێک یەکەم کەس بێت کە شتێک تاقی بکاتەوە، ئەتوانی بڵێیت بەرازی گینیایە. This is because scientists use guinea pigs for some experiments. ئەمەش لەبەرەوەیە کە زانەکان بۆ هەندێک تاقیکردنەوە بەرازی گینیایە بەکارەهێنن. You can call someone a guinea pig for the same situations where in Kurdish you might call them a Mşkî taqîkردنەوە. For example, بۆ نمونە, if I start a new kind of English class that has never been done before, I could say to my students, "Thank you for being part of my guinea pig class." This is because the class is experimental and no one has tried it before. Some people, like me and my good friend Dr. Aji, enjoy being guinea pigs and trying new things. Others like to wait until something has been tested and proven to be good. What about you? Have you ever been a guinea pig? Let me know in the comments.